Hey all, I'm Pokémon and welcome back to another random pack a day. Let's get into spinning the wheel and see what I'll be opening today. Oh, I saw something not quite right on the wheel before I shuffled. But today is the Astral Radiance. So, notifications on the computer. So, I've changed it up to the tin. Where is it? Astral Radiance is there. So that's one I'll be opening. And where did they go? There. Another one to go in, which I think I may end up just going over to the pull them from the side box, just a random one out. So Astral Radiance code sitting there, and I'm gonna guess a grass energy. Yay, grass! So you guys get the code and I'll grab another one out, which is what I'll be doing. So what's that one? That's a Fusion Strike. It's an extra code. So Astral Radiance, what cards will I get? And Clamel and a Martina. So just have to double check. Nope. I've actually changed the folder for Astral Radiance, so pull those aside. For what I've already, the 2 booster boxes I've opened outside, I've got a whole heap. Trainer galleries, and then I've gone through to say, okay, that's a Beedrill there. So I've got, let's see, okay, V Max, V Star, V Max, V Star, Cleaver Hollow, which I don't have, Cleaver V Star, Magnezone, which is a hollow, which I don't have, a V Clamel, I don't have in the shiny. That's basically it. And Adamant, I don't have as a, is it a reverse of the other hollow? I'm not sure. And then Miltank as well. Move this back a bit. And then, yeah, all the rainbows as well that I have in golds. So I have pulled some not too bad cards. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share if you want, and I'll see you again tomorrow in another video.